Hello everyone, it's CryptoCop. Welcome back. This video is about the Supra Network, guys. Congratulations, we pumped from the zone which I told you 8 days ago that we can go down toward that zone and then we can pull back upside of 40 to 50% upside. So we pump big, like almost 40% candle on a Supra coin. And if you made a money on this, then it's fine. But a lot of the people are still in a losses and they want prices to go back upside to the break even. So we are going to discuss in this video in a more detail. And if you're new to my channel, guys, make sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications to never ever miss the upcoming updates. Here, look at this, guys. Currently, this is the old video. 8 days ago, I uploaded and I said 0.05 is going to be the bottom for this coin, and we hit at that time. Prices were at 72's area, and the market cap was 64 million, and the volume was 14 million dollar. Okay, and now I'm just going to play this video, and I'm just going
Bybit and
to
Maxi Exchange.
show
Okay, let's
you
start
and
here.
tell you.
And this is the chart, guys. One day chart I'm using. One day is telling us there's a no buyback on this coin, and we are continuously going down. Okay, this coin. Okay, from where it need to bounce upside. So if someone want to take the trade, like this is going to be the sweet spot by buying here, by putting the by putting the buy order here at this zone here toward the 0.055 or 57, we're gonna have a big wick pump upside toward the zone toward the 84s area, and I think this is gonna be the good opportunity for this coin. Like look at this, from here to here it is gonna be 53% almost. So we can make a good money about this coin. So currently, overall for the long term holder, the coin is still finding.
So guys, here you can see, now I'm going to show you the current chart today. And by zooming in, this is a 12-hour frame and the recent video was on a 3-day frame. Look at this, we bounce upside toward the 71 zone again after hitting the 52s area, okay? And look at this here, we bounce exactly like 1 day chart is telling us more clearly. We hit down the zone and we pump upside almost from here to here. It was almost a 37% upside. So why the coin pump from this area? I just did analysis on the basis of market cap because there was a no support level, and I told you that in the recent video, in the two videos I have uploaded, and I'm doing a regular update about this, and I told you about this zone that the coin is finding the bottom and high likely that we can bounce from that zone when the market cap will reach around the $50 million, 51 to $55 million. So we exactly bounce from that zone. So now what next? As this is the another level at 0.038. But guys, I know Supra is not a shit coin. It is a proper layer one project and a lot of good thing. But the tokenomics of this coin are like not good, not much good. So the people are getting so frustrated about why it is keep going down. Currently, it is finding its bottom and going down and down. Look at this. Currently, we are still in a downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we are continuously moving down. So this is still not a bottom. Why we need? Because I'm saying this because we need to build a structure here, and then consolidation required. Without consolidation, without a proper structure, we cannot say this is the bottom. But still it is finding the bottom, and nobody can tell you about the bottom before it bottom out actually. Okay, but this pump is indicating that this might be a bottom. That is the reason we got a big buyback from the 50s area on a Supra coin, guys. Okay, so now we will go to the browser back and we will see what Coinglass is telling us about this. Okay, long versus short ratio today is 0.9198. Okay, mean to say the still a lot of people are shorting this coin, but not much. Like it is around the balance. Like it's a normal thing. And the coin is not available on a Binance exchange or not on OKX, so the data is not available here. But the open interest is telling us like 1.2 million worth of trades are derivative future trades are open currently, and now we will go to the spot, and here we will find out if anything good. 27K worth of net inflow and after a long time, guys. Okay, currently, guys, this the coin is already sitting at the bottom, and I think now we'll go back to the chart to find out something more about this. Okay, we will go to the 3 day. On a 3 day, still this is a red candle, and 1 hour and 47 minutes left to close that candle. And currently, we are still here. And as I'm telling you, this is still not a bottom because last time we pumped same way upside toward 0.018. Okay, but this is the good entry prices for the long term holder who are a fan of this token and they want to buy this coin. Okay, now we will go to the shorter time frame to see what's actually cooking inside. And it is telling us that someone is buying this coin here around these prices. Maybe here you can see last time the same kind of a move it had toward that area from here to here, almost a 24% jump. And this time it pumped almost around 34% pump. Okay. So I think now the buying is started to come in this coin slowly, gradually. And it need to build a bottom here. But how bottom structure, like any kind of a head and shoulder pattern or a consolidation, something like this, and then we can go move upside. Okay. So these are the thought and analysis about the Supra network, guys. Always do your own research before buying and selling anything. Thank you and bye bye.